Hi guys, it's Iain and Gaby here, and today we're going to be talking to you about why people can't make friends. I mean, there's nothing as awful as being in a room full of people who are chatting, laughing, and not being able to join in because you just don't trust yourself enough to be accepted in the conversation. So do you often find it impossible to strike up a chat with a total stranger for the fear of that humiliation and rejection? Or do you find that the art of connecting with other people is a complete mystery to you? Now, we all long for a friend who promises to never leave our side, one who's always there to listen to our concerns, hopes, dreams, and frustrations about life. So we want someone to hang out with, to learn from, and to invite to our birthday. So not being able to make friends can dent anyone's self-confidence and their ability to interact socially with others. So the reason why you can't make friends may be attributed to several factors, such as the lack of self-confidence and self-esteem, shyness, prejudices, and negative attitudes towards people. It could be the lack of interest in social activities too. However, some people may also suffer from disorders that may hinder their social skills. For instance, you have social anxiety disorders. Others are naturally introverts and prefer to keep themselves rather than be in the company of others. So gents, never forget that girls do care about whether you have friends or not. Now, have you ever noticed that they always ask where your friends are and who you're hanging out with? See, having friends are an indicator of that social health.
Confidence. The first step in making friends is self-confidence. Do you like and accept yourself as you are? Do you get nervous in social settings? In order to be confident, you need to find something special about you. It may be hard to feel special in a gigantic world of 7 billion people, but it is a necessity when it comes to attracting people towards you. Lack of confidence and low self-esteem tends to ward off people. However, bossing people around is not a sign of self-confidence. Hanging around confident people may be of assistance since they like to go out and talk to people. They meet friends through friends. You might learn a thing or two just by being in their company. Gents, I strongly suggest to hang out with people who have the confidence, men or women, doesn't matter, it will rub off.
Attitude change. Now, the second step is a change of attitude. Are you always worried why you can't make friends? You need to start relaxing while in the company of other people. So be a bit easygoing. Don't focus too much on making friends every time you go out, but try to have as much fun as you can. You see, people tend to gravitate towards that fun and easygoing people. Realize your fears in your head and it's just illusionary. And if you want to meet new people and make them your friends, then start looking at beyond your fears and give other people a chance to get to know you. You can take the first step. Why would you wait for other people to initiate that interaction? You see, in the next section, Gaby will be talking about this.
People skills. Step 3 is to have people skills. People skills are really just talking to people. It does not have to be complicated or well thought out. A simple hi often suffices. Paying a compliment to a colleague, a smile here and there, might help you look more approachable. I used to say hi to at least 5 people a day at work, coffee shops, gym, streets, or when I was improving my dating life and adding friends in my life. Gents, I made loads of friends in a short space of time. I strongly recommend to say hi to somebody at least 5 times a day, and you never know, the girl that you say hi to might be your next girlfriend. Attend
events. Now, you see, step 4 is going to social gatherings and meetups. Engaging in social activities such as going out for drinks with colleagues after work and attending parties, meetups, and other types of social gatherings might be of assistance in helping you to make friends. So pursue common interests, as the city is full of people who are looking for a buddy to play games or join meetup groups to meet people who have the same interests in life. Now, eventually, these events will introduce you to your next girlfriend. I mean, it's exciting, isn't it?
As always, leave any comments that you have and questions below and we'll answer them personally. And for more information on our dating services, drop me an email over on Gabriella@Kamalifestyles.com. Remember to like, share and subscribe to Karma TV. Be sure to come back next time for more dating advice. I'm Gaby and this is Iain, and we'll see you next time.